Teaching strong concluding sentences begins with a simple idea. A concluding sentence should not repeat the paragraph word for word. It should close the idea, show the main point, and help the reader feel that the paragraph is finished. One useful method is to restate the topic in new words. If the paragraph explains the benefits of regular exercise, the concluding sentence might say that staying active improves both body and mind. This gives a clear ending without sounding copied from the opening sentence. Another method is to sum up the result or message. A paragraph about saving money could end by showing that small daily choices can lead to greater security in the future. This kind of closing helps the reader understand why the information matters. Writers can also use a concluding sentence to connect the paragraph to the larger text. If the paragraph is part of an essay, the final line can prepare the reader for the next point. This makes the writing smooth and organized. For adult English learners, strong concluding sentences should be short, clear, and specific. A weak ending often stops suddenly or adds a new idea by mistake. A strong ending stays focused, uses simple language when needed, and leaves a clear final impression. A practical way to practice is to read the topic sentence, ask what the paragraph wants the reader to remember, and write one sentence that completes that thought. With regular practice, learners can write endings that sound natural and confident. In the end, a strong concluding sentence gives a paragraph direction, clarity, and purpose.